how to create an app with App Maker. Click on Create App. Then once you log in, you can say Create New Application. Then you can put your application name. In this case, I can say My APK. Then I say Create. Once it opens, you'll have a pop-up of templates that you should select for your app. You can select this blue one or whichever one you want. Once you select the template, you can change the design or the layout of the app. You can click on Change Layout, and then you can select any layout you want. Let me select layout number 5. Once you select your layout, you can also change the homepage image, the country, and the font style for your app. Then you can go to colors, and then you can change the color of controls in your app, like the headers, the homepage, the lists, cards, buttons. You can change the colors of all controls in your app. You can even add a custom CSS. Once you do that, you come to features. Under features, you can now add pages for your app. Your app can have audio, booking, calendar, catalog, code scan, commerce, all these type of pages. There are so many types of pages you can use. So in this case, maybe let's say I use the audio page. Then you can set up you can add audios here. You can set up the background. You can keep on adding, and then you can add another page. You can add as many pages as you want, and you can keep on changing the details of these pages or their contents. Once you're done with your pages, you go to application, and application, you can add the application icon. If your application has push messages, you can get their settings here and set them up. The startup image will be the splash screen of your app. You can set it up here. Once you have set up everything, you go to publication. Under publication, you have general information of your app, which you can change. If you want to monetize your app with AdMob, you can click here and add the AdMob banners and interstitials, whichever way you want. Then you click on ready, publish my app. Once you do that, it will take you to the payments page. At this page, you will not be paying anything, but you'll select the Pro free for 30 days. You say save. Then you can validate your order. It will complete and tell you your order has been successfully paid. Your application will be published very soon. So you click here. You will click that place where it says click here. Then you will go back to your app, like my APK, that was my app. You click on the edit icon. Then you go back to publication for your app. Once you are in publication page, it will be visible now, mobile source codes page, where you can generate the source code for iPhone and Android, and the APK also you can generate. So you can say generate APK. To generate the APK, it will start generating for you the APK. You will have to wait for a few minutes for the APK generation to complete. So for you to know if the process has completed or not, is that you keep on clicking on publication. It will refresh the page. Whenever you click there, then you'll be able to see it's still generating. So you'll keep on waiting, and at least you can wait for 2-3 minutes for the app to be generated in the queue, so that once it is generated, you can download your APK. You can also generate the source code. The process is the same. Then you can download your source code and build them offline, either in Android Studio, or you can use any other tool for iPhone, like any tool to manage Xcode. You can use any tool out there to compile your application. But here we are generating the APK first. So you keep on clicking on publication to refresh the page. So it's still generating. Sometimes it takes time depending on the apps that are on the queue. But after 5 to 10 minutes maximum, you'll be able to get your app. So I keep clicking on publication, waiting for it to complete generating. This message generating means it's still generating the application. So you keep waiting. Click on publication again. So we will keep on waiting, and then once the application has finished generating, after a few minutes you'll be able to download your APK and install it. So let me click on publication again. So here it has finished. Generate, under generate Android APK you have the download latest button. So you click on download latest, it will download your APK. So you'll wait for it to finish downloading your APK. So if it doesn't find a default file explorer, it will give you this message, missing default file explorer. So the file has been saved in your downloads folder. You can say OK, then it will try to install this application. It will tell you, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Once you click on install, you'll be able to install your application and test it.